is that? Professor. It's here.
Follow them.
It's here.
I don't see.
The hat. Thomas hat. Daddy made to us.
I'm not waiting. I see a bounce house.
It's bounce house.
The train is loud. Come here. Scare you? That scared me.
Train station soon.
I see him.
I see him.
You see him?
I see him right here.
I see a Thomas.
I see Thomas right here.
Jeez. Whoa, John, that was a good jumps. Trains are loud, huh?
Thomas is not loud.
Thomas isn't loud, are you sure?
Thomas is not loud.
I've seen Thomas.
And everything, and you'll be ready to go.
Awesome.
Hey, thank you.
We're gonna have some fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're gonna find Thomas.
Hey, Thomas.
There you go.
Hello.
Hi. Percy loud? Percy. I see Percy going backwards.
That's a cool.
Wow, you look small compared to how big Thomas is.
They both just left.
Whoa, trying to get that bubble. Get it.
Big bubble.
Get it, get it. You're running from it. Oh, nice shot.
Okay,
It's fast. It's fast. You want to get it? Oh, no.
Get it, Johnny.
Oh, right here. I'm going to get this one. Get it. Oh, it's so fast. It's too far.
Oh, that's Thomas.
There's Thomas right here.
Where?
Right here. Like
Oh, he's the other Thomas. I didn't see him.
We need to find a big, huge Thomas.
Where's huge Thomas?
I know.
Johnny, see the fire?
I think it's one big long break.
Get off the track. Put it through the hole. Almost. Try again.
Get closer. There you go.
Here.
Is this place in there?
Yeah, go with Mama. It's a big building. Wow. 1942 Jeep.
Is that a like a army one?
Yeah, look at the wagons. Imagine riding one of these back in the day. Look at the big train.
Hey, don't touch. Don't touch.
Look how big the train is.
No, you can't touch.
Jonathan, is that a big train? Go, 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 go. Jonathan, are you riding Thomas in a circle? Isn't that cool?
Jonathan, come here. Oh,
No, look. No, look. It's Thomas.
Thomas. No, he's back.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Here he goes.
Percy first or Thomas, you said? Percy? Okay, let's go find Percy.
Here you go find him. I see. Who's that? John, who is that?
Who's that? Right here.
Gordon.
Good job. Sing it.
We're moving. We're moving.
Oh my goodness! Bye!
He's old. Too old.
He's old. Try to get behind us. What is behind us?
This is a nice train.
It's a nice train. Where's Percy?
You having fun? Uh-huh.
He's kind of like,
Wave to him. Say hi.
Hi.
Jonathan, look at him.
If you want to see him, we have to wait in line.
You see him? You see Thomas? Jonathan, you just rode him.
Okay, take your shoes off.
You don't want to take your shoes off. Okay. John, look, there's wooden train tracks over here. Look, this way. Come here, look. Yeah, go play with those. You don't get dirty. Wow, that's a bridge. You are sharing. Good job. Oh, you need them to share. Ah, I get it. There's a big train. Wow, more train sets. I told you there was more toys. That's Percy. He built a big train too.
One exciting thing about handling mail, news stuff, is that much better in hands of person's thoughts. It's hopes, distance, love, and promises, neatly folded in a tiny package.
Assigned to car number 48, Richardson worked for approximately 3 years aboard a European hospital train, whose cars were fashioned after
Were capable of being hauled on a train would be loaded on our train, and we'd haul them to hospitals in Belgium and France and some of them in Holland.
hospital train.
Wow, he's fast. Hi, Percy. Hi, Percy. Wave. Hi, Percy. Wave, Jonathan. Hi. Great. There he goes. Wow. How do we end up on this one?
I don't know. We go ask. I can go ask for like a one that's open air.
You asked me. Jonathan, wow. Did you wave to him?
On the Percy.
We're on the Percy.
On the Percy.
And what are we gonna do? Gonna ride him? Are we gonna go forwards or backwards?
For the backwards.
Uh-huh.
For the backwards.
What does Percy sound like?
Red,
What?
queen,
What are you doing?
queen.
No, that's what color he is. What does he sound like? What does he say? Woo-hoo.
I think it doesn't need a horn. Wait, go.
Percy Strong. Hard. Loud.
Louder, louder.
Hi.
Bye, Thomas.
Say bye, Thomas.
Bye, Thomas.
Say see you later.
See you later. Bye, Thomas. See you later, Thomas.
He went this way, Jonathan.